This will be a video chart on our good friend BBDA. What we're looking at here is a weekly chart. I figured, hey, it's Friday. We're going into the weekend, so what better time to do a weekly chart just to cap off the week? Not to state the obvious, but this past week has been very bullish for the chart and just for the stock in general. So that was good to see. And then real quick, just to touch on the daily chart, you can see that had kind of a not necessarily a nasty day here, but finally had a human day, maybe I should put it, where it actually acted human, pulled back, and then since then has been chugging back upwards. So really shows the strength of this chart, where when it has a nasty day like this, it recovers that quickly and is now heading back up for what will hopefully be a breakout to new highs sometime next week, the way it's looking right now. So let's make our way back here to the weekly chart. And what I want to do real quick on this is just map out resistance levels going forward into next week, and then support levels, which become a little bit easier to see since we can look back further in time, since each one of these bars now represents 1 week's worth of price action instead of 1 day. So the first level of support, I believe is, I don't know, this is either going to be a support or resistance. I can't tell by the eyeball. Okay, this is still a level of resistance because obviously the price is still below it. So the next level of support that was put in this past week was right here at this level. So I'll get this changed to green to represent support. And this simply comes from looking back here. You can see it was a support level there, and then when the price did fall below it, acted as a resistance. So this level is at 0.0075. So 0075 is one of the newer levels of support that was put in this week. And that is followed then by the next areas of previous high, which is down here. And I know these support levels are far apart, but that's kind of the catch-22. When you have big upwards moves, they do create larger spaces in between support levels. So this next support would be down here, down here at 0.0055. And then that would be followed by simply this high right here at 0.0039. So these are going to be the three support levels from the weekly chart perspective. Again, 0.0075, 0.0055, and 0.0039 or 0.004, whatever you want to call it. In terms of resistance levels, as I pointed out right here at 0.0095, this still remains a level of resistance. Going to leave that line skinny because, yes, while it is a resistance with another nice push, I don't see this providing much of a hassle really. And then the next level is going to be up here slightly above the penny mark. The penny will be a resistance anyways, just because it usually is from a psychological level regardless. But after that, we have a penny and a half. That'll be the next level of resistance. So I'm not going to go any further than that, one step at a time, but I'm sure if the price can close above these areas, I'll be back to update the chart again. But this was the weekly chart, so here's what things are looking like from this perspective, and obviously looking very strong, and it'll be interesting to see what the next couple of weeks bring. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We're making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. Also, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the chart. One more time, this was BBDA. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.